thought today I would bring you a DIY. I have this old coat hook rack, and I decided I'm gonna paint it and make it into a plant hanger to keep them away from the cat that was just in the video who eats all my plants. I'm gonna, take you from start to finish, where I paint this, let it dry, and then eventually hang it up in the spot above my desk to hang my plants. And the primary reason I'm doing this is because I needed more plant hanging space in my apartment, because now that it's turning into winter, I actually need to start bringing in some of the plants that are hanging on my balcony, and I want to keep them hanging. I'm combining two of my favorite activities, painting and plant stuff, so I'm super excited to get started. I have no idea how this design will turn out. This is just sort of my brain being like, oh, let's paint this whole thing white and go from there. So know that I don't really have any set artistic way forward in mind. I'm just sort of seeing where I go with it. So I think I'm done. I did this design on the now plant hanger, and I actually used the same colors as the painting I did in my dining room, which you might have seen in prior videos, because I wanted to keep it a little consistent and to flow with the room and bring those colors into this other living room area. And so yeah, this is what I ended up with. So now I'll hang it up over my work area and hang some plants on it. So I got this plant from in a different room because it's hanging. And I just wanted to test this out, because I have to bring in a lot of my plants from outside, but this looks like it would work pretty well and look cute here. So I'm going to hang it. That's pretty cute. And then I have this other plant from the different room. Both of these are spider plants. So I think I talked about those in another video. I can cover these again. These are actually spider plants that I propagated from an original plant that I bought that's somewhere in here. And then this is actually another piece of the spider plant. as you can tell, these really do propagate well. And you can actually start them from these little pups on here. I think I covered this in a prior video through a comment or something, but I might actually clip these and plant them just to show you guys in another video how to propagate spider plants and create multiple hanging plants for yourself. So anyway, I think I'm gonna put this one here if I can reach. I'm not so tall. I'm quite short. But that looks cute. Maybe I'll move this one over here so it kind of spreads them out. And then I'll have different hanging size plants, different lengths in between. So for now, this looks like pretty cute. This might work. And you guys are probably like, oh my God, you have so many hanging plants. I do, and I hope you do too. I hope you enjoyed this DIY video. Happy planting!